Original miracles?
Yes, teacher.
So today we are going to learn about Namibia. Actually, we are going to have a discussion about Namibia. So this beautiful country that we live in, our motherland, land of the brave, eh? You know? Okay. So, okay, what do you want to tell me about Namibia?
Is there other countries that are land of the brave?
No, only Namibia is the land of the brave. Other countries have their own slogans and mottos, yeah. But ours is Namibia, land of the brave. Like Nigeria is called the giant of Africa. So ours is land of the brave. Okay. Now, can you tell me when did Namibia gain independence? Yes, Oscar Angelo?
1990 March 21st.
Okay. Valentino, can you tell us who was the first president of Namibia?
Dr. Sam Nujoma, who's our founding father.
Great, great. Oscar Angelo, you want to tell us who was the second president of Namibia?
Haufiku.
No, man. What is that? Dr.
Dr.
Not Haufi. Hifike Punye Pohamba.
Ifike
Punye Pohamba. Yes. And who is the current president of Namibia? Okay, you both can tell me.
President Dr. Hagin Kenkop.
Great. Okay, now Namibia has how many administrative regions? Okay, you can both say.
14 administrative regions.
Okay, now we are going to mention them. We will do them in the alphabetical order. We have the Irongo region.
Irongo region.
Which is on the side of the Namibia desert. Ne? That's where you find the coastal towns of Walvis Bay and Swakopmund. Do you see Walvis Bay there in the map?
Yes.
And Swakopmund?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have Hardap region. Yes, Oscar Angelo?
That it starts with a
We have Hardap region.
Hardap region.
Then we have Kavango East region.
Kavango East and Kavango West. And
Then Karas region.
Karas region.
Karas region is at the end there in the south, at the border of Namibia and South Africa. That's where you find Karas region. Do you see the map of Namibia? Do you see Karas region?
Yes.
Yes. And then we have Khomas region. Where is Khomas? In the central?
In the central
Plateau.
plateau.
That's where we live. Khomas region is where the capital city of Namibia is. What is the capital city of Namibia? Yes, Oscar Angelo, you need to keep quiet. You are making too much noise with your feet.
Windhoek.
Okay, Windhoek is the capital city of Namibia. Great. Now tell me about the. Okay, then we have Kunene region.
Kunene region.
In Kunene region, there is a yes.
Does it have a E at the end?
Kunene, yes, it has a E there. Ohangwena region. Those are.
Ohangwena region.
Remember earlier we discussed that there are 6 regions that start with letter O. It's Ohangwena region.
Ochodonjupa.
Omaheke region.
Omaheke region.
Omaheke region.
Omaheke region.
Valentino.
Oshikoto region.
Oshmusati region.
Oshumisati region.
Oshana region,
Oshana region,
Ochodonjupa region.
Ochodonjupa region,
You know Ochodonjupa
Omaheke
region? Ochodonjupa region, that's where we went for Uncle Veko's wedding in Ochuarongo. Do you still remember? You were small, two babies, you won't remember. But that Omaheke region is where?
Omaheke.
That's where Andy Helena is working in Kobabes. Now you know.
I don't remember I went for
And you remember the Oshana region, that is where Laudika them live, ne? Nongwe Diva. Oshana. Oshana is up here in the north. Yes. Then we have Zambezi region.
Zambezi region.
Now in the Kavango and the Zambezi region, there are rivers there. You know the Zambezi river is there. There is the Kavango river. And in those rivers, you find the big hippopotamus. Have you seen a hippo?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where you find the hippos. Hippos live in the water.
Hippos are wild.
They are wild, yes, and they live in the water. And the crocodiles also, that's where you find them. But most of the wild animals, you also find them in the Etosha region. The lions, the elephants, the zebra. Which animal do we find in the Namibian coat of arms? You can tell me. Oscar?
Oryx.
And what plant do we find in the Namibia coat of arms?
The Welwitschia mirabilis.
And where does the Welwitschia mirabilis? Oscar Angelo, you are misbehaving. The Welwitschia mirabilis
It's in the desert.
It grows where?
In the Namibia desert.
And it's one of the oldest plants in the world.
The last animal I found in the coat of arms is the African fish eagle. Have good vision.
That is so true. Okay, Oscar Angelo, what do you want to tell us?
Also, the president, Dr. Hadi Jacob, has good vision.
He's a visionary leader. That's very good. So Namibia, land of?
The brave.
Do we know our national anthem?
No. Namibia, land of the brave, freedom fight, we have won. Glory to their bravery, whose blood waters our freedom. We give our love and loyalty, together in unity. Contrast in beautiful Namibia, Namibia, our country. We love the land of savannas, hold high the banner of liberty. Namibia, our country, Namibia, motherland, we love thee.
Land of the brave. Great. So what do you want to say again about Namibia? There is you say where do you find the oryx? The oryx stays also in the desert, ne? It's a beautiful, beautiful. What do we say about the oryx? It's elegant. Oscar?
Also, my friend
Pride.
to the desert when they were going to Swakop. They saw it.
They went, okay. Yes. Valentino.
There are two deserts in Namibia.
Okay, what are they?
Namibia desert
Uh-huh.
and Kalahari desert.
Okay. What are the neighboring countries of Namibia? Yes?
Angola, Botswana, and South Africa.
And? Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Good. What else do you want to say about Namibia? Namibia has one of the biggest canyon in the world. What is it called? Yes?
The Fish
River Canyon.
The Fish River Canyon.
Mm-hmm.
That's the hottest place in Namibia.
It is.
Where there's no living things.
And the national park, remember we talk about where we find the wild animals? Namibia is rich in wildlife.
It's in the Oshikoto.
That is called Etosha National Park. But there are more national parks in Namibia. There are about 24 of them.
24.
We have the Etosha National Park is the biggest. There is Babwata National Park. There is Kaudumo National Park. Some are reserves.
Rhino National Park.
So there are those many of them where wildlife is kept, and Namibia love its wildlife. Thank you. What did you love about today's lesson? It was interesting.
Clap your hands for yourself.
Clap hands for yourself. You love Namibia, land of
the brave.